Hi friends. Today, we're going to learn two little words that help us talk about things around us, this and that. Use this when something is close to you. For example, this is my cup, this is my teddy, this is my pencil. Use that when something is far away. That is my ball, that is a bird in the tree, that is the door. Here's an easy way to remember. This means near, that means far. Now let's sing along with all.
Let's learn something easy and fun. Two little words for everyone. This is near and that is far. Let's sing along wherever you are. This is my brush, I hold it tight. I use it every morning and night. This is for things that are close to me, like toys and cups and my teddy. That is a cup on the table there. It's not in my hand, it's by the chair. That is for things that are far away, like shoes on the mat or books we play. This is my shirt, it's red and neat. I wear it when I'm dressed so sweet. This means near, right here you see, like the spoon that's close to me. That is your bag, near the door. It's not close, it's on the floor. That is used for far off things, like the kite that flies on windy wings. Oh, this is my bear, he sits with me, soft and cuddly as can be. This is my toy, so near and dear. I hug it tight when it is here. That is your ball under the tree. Let's run and grab it. 1, 2, 3. That is for things we point out far, like clouds, the moon, or a shiny star. This is near in your hand or lap. That is far, like a hat on a rack. This and that help us every day to show what's near or far away. Let's say it loud, let's say it clear. This means close and that means there. Words so small but oh so smart. Learning with songs is a superstar.